it's Casey and I'm delighted that you're here. You know, one of the things I'm hearing a lot from therapists these days is that the economy is really affecting them. And there's part of that that is true. People are running out of money. I mean, it costs $100 a week to fill up your gas tank for many people. So it is true that there is some effect of the economy. However, one of the things I'm recommending is that you don't, what I call, collude with the fear. And if you're struggling with your caseload going down about this time because of the economy, there's two things I want to recommend. The first thing is I want you to look at what is your belief about psychotherapy. Is there a part of you that's kind of questioning as to whether this is as important as other things in people's lives? Now, I'm not recommending that you set people's financial priorities for them, but I am recommending that you look again at your beliefs about psychotherapy. Get back in touch with the passion that you have for this work. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, if a client comes to you and says, oh, I can't afford to come to therapy next week, I want you to really think about whether it's clinically in that client's best interest to skip a week. Now, it may, and you know, there's some clients that come to us for sort of maintenance, if you will, and it's totally fine for those people to skip a week. Of course, maybe not for your bank account, but for them. However, on the flip side, there are people for whom it's clinically important they come every week. And if you know that they need therapy and that they just aren't coming because they want to spend their money somewhere else, then I want you really to think about that. And I think it's important that you tell them your clinical opinion as to whether therapy is necessary for them. So that's, I think, two things that are really important. And then the final one, as my husband Bob always says, make sure you're taking credit cards. I talked to a lady the other day that said her practice quadrupled when she started taking, her income quadrupled when she started taking credit cards. People are now telling her, can you put 10 sessions on the card and I'll just work those off. So feel free to add anything you like to this blog post, and I look forward to seeing you again. Take care.